Once upon a time, in a cozy little home, lived a cheerful little bunny named Benny. Every night before bed, Benny's mom would give him a warm bath. One evening, Benny was feeling a bit adventurous. He decided to turn his bath time into an adventure. He gathered his favorite toys and climbed into the tub. "Let's sail on a magic sea," Benny exclaimed, splashing water everywhere. He pretended his rubber duck was a mighty ship, bravely sailing through the waves. Next, he invited his teddy bear to join him. "Teddy, let's go on a safari," Benny said, imagining the jungle around them. Teddy nodded, and they set off on their imaginary adventure. Benny pretended to be a brave explorer, navigating through imaginary rivers and climbing imaginary mountains. He and Teddy saw elephants, lions, and monkeys on their safari. Suddenly, Benny heard his mom calling from the other room. "Benny, it's time for bed," she said. Benny felt a little sad, but he knew it was time to end his adventure. Benny dried off, put on his pajamas, and snuggled up with Teddy. He closed his eyes, remembering his bath time adventure. "Good night, Benny," his mom said, giving him a kiss. "Sweet dreams, Benny," he replied, drifting off to sleep with a smile on his face. The end.